Okay, we actually have a 12-volt battery in a Tesla X right there. In fact, I took out this piece right here, which has these two little clips, pulled the whole thing out, and they unscrewed this, so that went into this. And this is what you see in the front hood of a Tesla X. I have a 2018. They're replacing that battery right there, which apparently, if it goes bad, you can't do any updates on it. So let's see what else we've got here. We've got some oil, the cleaning area over here. What else do I see over here? Yeah, very cool. What exactly am I looking at here? What is this right here and this? What are these items here?
So like this?
Yeah.
This is just a core support to help support the front, the headlights.
Got it.
Things like that. It's your fuse box.
Mm-hmm.
Brake fluid reservoir.
Oil.
This is coolant.
Coolant, okay. Yeah. And what are those pipes right over there? Air conditioner?
These?
Yeah.
Yeah, they run down to your AC compressor. That's
Oh,
right
AC
there.
compressor. And then there's a 12-volt battery. What does that battery look like? Kind of like a boat battery.
Yeah.
The size of a boat battery. All right, cool. And what's this right here?
So right here you have your radiator and your condenser.
Cool.
And fan and things like that.
And where's the battery? I guess it's underneath
the HV
side.
battery.
Yeah.
Front wheels to back wheels and everything in between.
Oh, sweet. Cool.
Yeah,
Thanks.
pretty much the whole floor.